Hey guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a paper airplane. First, do this. Just fold your paper like this, like that, and then open it and make two triangles like that. And you can have white paper, you don't need yellow paper. And then you see you have guys have a house shape. Then just make the triangles, just make a fold there to make this, like just you see, make a fold from there to there and do that. Then do the same fold like that. Then just turn it that way. And you see, like it's like this now. And we are going to be making a paper one that is not exactly like that one. And you can do this and turn, and you do this. You have a paper airplane. But if you want to make it more cooler, just take your paper airplane and just do this. Now this one's kind of like a jet one, but if you wanted to, you could make yours like this one. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, and please watch how to make a paper boat and how to make a paper claw. Bye guys. See you next time.